A very warm good morning to all of you. Today, I, Aparna Jain, your science teacher, is going to explain you chapter number 5, that is Seeds and Seeds. Before proceeding further, let's see the aims of the lesson. To know about germination of seeds. To know about different agents of dispersal of seeds. To know about pitcher plant. To know about Velcro. Our first topic that we are going to do is sprouting. Sprouting means to begin to grow. In other words, it is first step of germination. It is possible only if seeds get enough air and water. If seeds do not get enough air and water, then sprouting cannot take place. Sprouts are rich source of nutrients. Even doctor recommends to eat sprouts and to stay healthy. Sprouting time of seeds may vary according to temperature and humidity of weather. Let's see few things about seeds. There are basically various kind of seeds. For example, rajma, fenugreek, wheat, cumin seeds, etc. Plants reproduce through flowers. A fruit is formed out of flower. The fruit contains seeds. There are different kind of seeds. For example, mustard, fenugreek, sesame, coriander, chana, rajma, etc. Various kinds of seeds are found in fruits and vegetables like apple, mango, watermelon, papaya, etc. All the seeds do not get chance to germinate. Some fall from parent plant and do not get proper sunlight, soil, air and water. There are some kinds of seeds that we eat as cereals, for example, rajma and chickpeas. Some we eat as spices like cumin seeds and fenugreek. And some seeds we eat as food grain, for example, wheat and rice. Next, another topic or important topic of the chapter is germination of seed. Let's see what is germination of seeds with the help of one video.
What is germination? When a seed is sown into moist soil, it begins to grow. This process is called germination. It occurs in the following steps. The seed coat splits. A tiny root grows downward and a shoot grows upward. This produces a seedling of a plant, which ultimately grows into a new plant. After some time, the plant bears flowers. The flowers produce fruits, and the fruits have seeds in them. All seeds can germinate when sown in moist soil under suitable conditions to produce new plants. By natural or man-made processes, these seeds are sown into the soil again, and that is how new plants are born.
So, let's see what we have done in this video. There are various steps to be followed while germination of seed take place. the seeds germinate to produce a seedling. The seedling absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Firstly, a tiny root starts growing downwards. Then, upper part of plant, that is tiny shoot, starts growing upward. Soon, a baby plant grows with green plant and changes into adult plant. So, this was about sprouting. Second was seed. And next was germination of seeds. I hope this much topic is clear to you. We will continue with the lesson in next class. Thank you.